Hi children, today we are going to start a new chapter called 4 multiplication. That is chapter 4 multiplication. So under multiplication chapter, exercise 1 is about tables from 1 to 10. That is we will see in the online class. So during class section we will just go on that with the exercise. So for the video session we will just go with the exercise 2. So exercise 2 has multiplication, that is 3-digit number multiplied with the 1-digit number. Okay. So here specifically we are going to go with the concept of without regrouping. That is you have already come across what is with regrouping and without regrouping in the addition and subtraction. Likewise the same concept is going to be applied for the multiplication. So here first we will just see multiplication with 3-digit number with 1 digit without regrouping concept. Okay. So here I have given 2 example sums, that is 243 is a 3-digit number into 2. So 2 is a 1-digit number. So we will just start with the format. So always first write with the place value ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. I have given only 3 place values because only 3 digits is given. So always start from the ones place value 3, 4, 2. So this 243 is written below the place value and then multiplication symbol 2. See, this 2 is a 1-digit number. So always this 1-digit number falls under the ones place value, and that is why I have written this 2 straight to the ones place value. So just after writing give a dash. Okay. So now this 1 digit of 2 is going to be multiplied with ones place value, tens place value and hundreds place value. So whenever you do multiplication, you will start with the ones place value. See, even when you do addition and subtraction, we always used to start from the ones place value. Likewise, from that is even multiplication starts with ones place value. So this 2 has to be multiplied with the ones place value of 3. That is 2 into 3. So 2 3s are, what is the value? You know the table, right? Just think 2 3s are 6. Yes? And then now the multiplication of ones place value is over. Since 2 3s are is a 6. 6 is a 1-digit number. So directly we have written in the ones place. See, even when you are writing the answer, you have to write straight to the given place value. Okay. So the ones place value is over, then move to the tens place value. This 1 digit has to be multiplied with all the 3 places. 2 into 4. That is 2 4s are. So what is 2 4s are? 2 4s are gives 8. So this 8 has to be written straight to the tens place value. And then now tens place value is over, move to the hundreds place value. So 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are. So what is 2 2s are? 2 2s are gives 4. So this 4 has to be written below to the hundreds place value. So now your multiplication is over. Okay. So we'll see one more sum. So for that sum, you're going to first tell me the answer. When I am asking, you're going to just guess your answer. Okay. So first, what you should write? What I told you to write? Place values. So first I am going to write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. So after writing the place values, what you are supposed to do? You should write the given numbers in the order. That is 202. So from where you have to start writing? From the ones place. That is 2, 0, 2. So after this 3-digit number followed by into symbol and then this 1-digit number 4. So why we are writing this 4 straight to the ones place value? Because 4 is a 1-digit number. 1-digit number is a ones place value. So now after writing give a dash. Now you have to start from ones place value. That is 4 into 2. You know the 4 table, right? So what is 4 2s are? Just think 4 2s are 8. So I am going to write this 8 straight to the ones place value. Now ones place value multiplication is over. Then I am moving to the tens place value. 4 into 0. So what is 4 into 0? Actually in tables we have not come across 4 zeros are, right? So I'm going to tell you one information. So whenever you do addition and subtraction with 0, that is any number is added with 0, you will get the same number. For example, 8 plus 0. What you will get? 8 plus 0 will give 8. Yes? When you do addition, when you do subtraction, 8 minus 0, what you will get? Again you will get 8. So this is what you used to do in the addition and subtraction. Yes? Any number which is added or subtracted with 0, you will get the same number. Okay? But in case of multiplication, any number which is multiplied with 0 will give you the value 0. The answer will be 0. Just keep in mind, any number is multiplied with 0, the answer is 0 only. Okay, so that is why I have given 4 into 0 is 0. So now tens place value is over. Now move to the hundreds place. 4 into 2, that is 4 2s are 8. Where should I write this 8? In the hundreds place. Just straight to the hundreds place. So this is how you are going to do your multiplication, that is 3-digit number multiplied with 1-digit number, and that too with the concept of without regrouping. So we'll just see the next exercise with the topic of with the regrouping concept. Okay, thank you children.